Looking for affordable floor-standing speakers that can transform your home audio experience? In this video, we are exploring the best budget floor-standing speakers for 2026, featuring models that combine impressive sound, strong bass, stylish designs, and excellent overall value. Whether you enjoy music, movies, or gaming, these speakers can bring a more powerful and immersive soundstage to your room. Stay tuned and find your ideal option. Links in the description. Number 5. The Klipsch Reference Premier RP8000F2 is built for listeners who want an engaging combination of detail, dynamics, and powerful room-filling sound. This walnut floor-standing speaker features Klipsch engineering throughout, making it suitable for both serious music listening and immersive home theater systems. Its detailed sound begins with the larger 90° by 90° silicone composite hybrid Tractrix horn. This design helps deliver crisp, controlled high frequencies while improving overall dispersion. The 1-inch linear travel suspension titanium diaphragm tweeter is designed to reduce distortion and provide smooth, precise treble. A vented tweeter housing further supports detailed reproduction. The updated ceram-metallic woofers deliver impressive low-frequency performance while maintaining efficiency and minimizing distortion. Combined with the Tractrix port, the speaker produces powerful bass with efficient airflow and cleaner bass response. This makes explosions, musical bass lines, and cinematic effects sound more impactful without sacrificing clarity. For enthusiasts seeking greater system flexibility, dual input terminals provide bi-wiring and bi-amping capability. The advanced cabinet incorporates additional bracing and a divided internal structure to reduce unwanted vibrations. Furniture-grade materials and the walnut finish also give the speaker a premium appearance. Premium construction extends to the magnetic removable grille, allowing the RP8000F2 to look elegant with the grille attached or showcase its distinctive drivers without it. With a listed 90-watt maximum output power and 40 Hz frequency response specification, this speaker offers a compelling blend of performance, flexibility, and sophisticated design for demanding home audio enthusiasts. Number 4. The KEF Q11 Meta is an impressive tower speaker created for listeners who appreciate refined detail, natural presentation, and powerful full-range audio. It combines KEF advanced engineering with a clean contemporary cabinet, making it an excellent choice for dedicated music listening and immersive home theater systems. At the center of its performance is pure sound, supported by KEF Meta material technology. This system absorbs up to 99% of unwanted noise from the rear of the driver, helping create a cleaner and more natural listening experience. The 12th generation Uni-Q driver functions as a single-point source, distributing sound evenly throughout the room and producing a cohesive soundstage with excellent clarity. The carefully refined crossover further enhances performance. KEF takes more than 1,000 specific measurements for each speaker model to optimize the signal path and achieve seamless integration between the individual components. This detailed tuning helps maintain consistency across the frequency range. Fast bass response comes from the hybrid bass driver design, which provides stiffness for controlled piston-like movement. The computational fluid dynamics modeled port works alongside the bass drivers to provide precise and agile low-frequency performance, even at higher output levels. The speaker also delivers elegant design with a minimalist cabinet and premium satin finish. It is available in satin black, satin white, and walnut, allowing it to complement a variety of interiors. With 225 watts of maximum output power and speaker wire connectivity, the KEF Q11 Meta offers a compelling balance of technology, performance, and sophisticated styling for serious audio enthusiasts. Number 3. The Wharfedale Diamond 12.4 is a capable floor-standing speaker that combines powerful room-filling sound with a sophisticated appearance. Designed as part of the Diamond series, it is well suited for music lovers and home theater enthusiasts who want detailed audio without sacrificing bass performance. Its powerful performance comes from dual 6.5-inch advanced PP cone drivers. These drivers are designed to deliver substantial bass while maintaining a detailed and expressive mid-range. The 2.5-way configuration and carefully engineered bass reflex enclosure work together to create a balanced soundstage with impressive depth and definition. For higher frequencies, the 1-inch textile dome tweeter provides detailed treble, helping reproduce vocals, instruments, and cinematic effects with clarity. The tweeter is designed to deliver accurate, high-frequency performance while blending smoothly with the other drivers for a cohesive presentation. The Diamond 12.4 also offers flexible system compatibility. Its recommended amplifier power range is 30 to 200 watts, while the nominal impedance is 8 ohms. This allows it to integrate with a broad selection of amplifiers and home theater equipment. With a listed maximum output power of 150 watts and frequency response reaching 45,000 Hz, it provides plenty of versatility for different listening preferences. Finally, elegant construction gives this speaker a premium visual presence. The light oak finish adds warmth and sophistication, while the carefully crafted cabinet measures approximately 45.27 inches high, 7.87 inches wide, and 14.88 inches deep. Overall, the Wharfedale Diamond 12.4 offers an appealing balance of bass authority, treble clarity, flexible compatibility, and refined design. Number 2. The Acoustics 3050i is a well-engineered floor-standing speaker designed to deliver expansive stereo sound with strong bass and detailed high frequencies. Its carbon black finish provides a sleek appearance, while the tall cabinet makes it a natural fit for dedicated hi-fi systems, televisions, projectors, and other home entertainment equipment. Its powerful audio performance comes from two 165mm bass drivers, which provide substantial low-frequency energy while supporting a detailed mid-range. The 22mm decoupled high-frequency driver uses a wide surround to spread treble evenly, helping create a spacious and immersive stereo presentation. Cabinet construction is a major strength. The point-to-point bracing system reduces unwanted cabinet movement and vibration, allowing the enclosure to contribute less interference to the overall sound. High-pressure equalization technology further improves resonance control by balancing air pressure inside the cabinet and reducing sympathetic resonance. The speaker features a two-way reflex enclosure with a stated frequency response of 44 Hz to 30,000 Hz. Its average impedance is 6 ohms, while minimum impedance is 4 ohms. Sensitivity is rated at 91 decibels, and recommended amplifier power ranges from 50 to 165 watts. Wired connectivity makes it suitable for traditional home audio systems. Practical design also makes installation easier. Low-profile binding posts allow the cabinet to sit closer to a rear wall while still accommodating banana plugs. Each package includes magnetic speaker grills, foam bungs, stabilizers, fixing screws, speaker spikes, a user manual, and handling gloves. With its combination of refined construction, broad compatibility, and engaging sound, the Acoustics 3050i is a strong choice for home audio enthusiasts. Number 1. The SVS Prime Pinnacle floor-standing speakers are built for listeners who want a combination of refined detail, powerful bass, and impressive dynamics. Sold as a pair, these tower speakers are designed to deliver an expansive soundstage for music, movies, and home theater systems. The three 6.5-inch woofers provide deep bass performance, producing substantial low-frequency energy with impressive impact. This triple woofer arrangement helps the speakers deliver effortless bass while maintaining control during demanding passages. Whether you are listening to bass-heavy music or watching action-packed movies, the low end adds depth and authority to the experience. Above the woofers, the 5.25-inch mid-range driver focuses on vocals, instruments, and important details within the middle frequencies. This dedicated driver helps create a smooth and balanced transition between the bass and treble sections. The 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter provides crisp detail, reproducing high frequencies with clarity and precision for a more engaging listening experience. The Prime Pinnacle speakers are rated for a maximum output power of 400 watts, giving them substantial headroom when paired with a capable amplifier. Speaker wire connectivity supports traditional audio connections, while the stereo output configuration can also be incorporated into a surround sound setup. Immersive soundstage is another major advantage of this floor-standing design. The speakers are engineered to deliver spacious audio that can effectively fill a room, making them particularly appealing for larger listening spaces. Overall, the SVS Prime Pinnacle pair offers an excellent combination of strong bass, detailed mid-range, refined treble, and powerful dynamics for serious home audio enthusiasts. And that brings us to the end of our list of the best budget floor standing speakers for 2026. From powerful bass and detailed audio to impressive designs and affordable prices, these speakers offer excellent choices for different home setups. We hope this video made your decision easier. If you found it helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.